critical appreciation of the poem The Unrest of Desire. This poem was composed by K.N. Daruvala. This poem, for the first time, it appeared in K.N. Daruvala's third collection of verse named or titled The Keeper of the Dead, and it was published by Oxford University Press, New Delhi in 1982. So this poem, The Unrest of Desire, it first appeared in this collection of poems in 1982. And for this collection of verse, K.N. Daruvala got Central Sahitya Academy Award in 1984 after only 2 years. This poetry collection consists three sections. The very first section is The Keeper of the Dead, second section is The Unrest of Desire, and the third last section is In the Shadow of Imambara. And this poem, The Unrest of Desire, it exists in the second section, which consists of 7 poems. Okay, the second section of this collection of poems consists 7 poems, and the named of all those poems are The Night of the Jackals, Love Among the Pines, From the Snow in Ranikhet, The Unrest of Desire, The Parsi Hell, The Sun Speaks to the Dead Rake, and To My Daughter. The structure of this poem is that this poem, The Unrest of Desire, is a middle length poem, and it has 3 stanzas and 15 lines in all. Means each stanza consists only 5 lines. So total lines are 15 in this poem. The main theme or the central theme of this poem is that it represents his experience of investigation. Okay, through this poem we find K.N. Daruvala as an investigator, and he is a keen observer, and this is why that he himself represents his own experience of investigation. That is the whole idea depends on this, that one cannot bury or hide or get rid of his real personality, that is his real or his original nature. The body language is more prompt than our carved and refined languages. So it doesn't matter that what kind of efforts one makes to conceal it in his heart or in one's heart, but it will naturally come out, that is maybe through his eyes. So our suppressed desires stand against us as nothing else, and spread around us even beyond our reach. So this is the central theme of this poem, The Unrest of Desire, and K.N. Daruvala seems to say that despite all our efforts and all our makeup, we cannot conceal our desires. So our longings, our impulses constantly vibrate to make clear announcement about them. So this is the idea, and he prefers this idea that the instincts of the person can never be suppressed. It is neither possible nor desirable, and there are blending of external environment and inner instincts. His profession was of being an investigator. So K.N. Daruvala, he shaped his writing, especially poetical development, in a special manner, and he always looks searching realities of a human personality under the impact of eternal environment